An official safety warning. Do not carry passengers in the rear seats. This is not clickbait. It's a real action taken by authorities in 2025. The all-new Suzuki Fronx failed its crash test so severely that sales were halted in Australia and New Zealand, and owners were urged to avoid using the rear seats altogether. How does the same brand sell 5-star safety in Asia and a potential death trap in Australia? Today, we reveal the truth about how Suzuki saves money on your life. What happened to the Suzuki Fronx and ANCAP crash tests in Australia in December 2025 was a disaster. Evidence number 1, seatbelt failure. During the impact, the rear seatbelt retractor unlocked, and the crash dummy was thrown forward into the back of the front seat. The result? An emergency recall of more than 1,100 vehicles. Second finding, critical injury loads. Even without the seatbelt failure, the frontal test resulted in 0 points for child occupant protection, caused by excessive loads to the head and neck. Currently, Suzuki has no 5-star safety ratings in Australia. This indicates a systemic issue. Why are safety ratings high in Japan? Yet even the latest December 2025 test in Latin America raises serious concerns. Where regulations are weaker, Suzuki offers what it calls compromised protection. Remember 2021, the Suzuki Baleno scored 0 stars, and the rear door opened during the crash. In the latest Latin NCAP report from 2025, the Suzuki Baleno scored only 2 stars. The key failures are clear. Knee injuries. Protection was rated marginal. The driver's legs can strike hard structures behind the dashboard. Child protection failures. Installation of child seats in the front passenger position failed, and overall child protection reached only 65%. This is a policy of double standards. While the body shell is described as stable, critical safety elements inside are reduced, leaving occupants exposed to injury. So what is the root of the problem? The Baleno, Swift, Fronx, and even the electric e-Vitara all share the same DNA, the HEARTECT platform. Its core philosophy is extreme lightness, achieved through a simplified structure. Look at the e-Vitara, ANCAP, September 2025. The car weighs 1.8 tons. It has 7 airbags, and yet chest protection is rated as marginal. The HEARTECT structure reaches its limits. The car protects its heavy battery better than it protects your ribs. Suzuki is a master of illusions. Its real level of safety depends on how strict the laws are in your country. Remember this, 1 or 2 stars in 2025 are not a coincidence. They are a warning sign that corners have already been cut, on the metal, on the seat belts, and on build quality. Don't trust the ads, check the facts. We analyze safety using official crash test reports. Stay safe.